If you found out that brightness is not working on your iPhone, then this is what you should do to fix it. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix brightness is not working on iPhone, the first you want to confirm is you want to make sure you whether you turn on or turn off auto brightness. Scroll down the control center, then locate the brightness button, press and hold it. Try to adjust it to see whether it's going to work. If it does, you are good. And if that doesn't work for you, you should go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, click on display and text size. Now scroll down, check whether you're able to toggle on and toggle off auto brightness. If that can be done, then you should see your brightness working perfectly. And again, if you are still left out with the auto brightness not working, go back to the main settings and then scroll down and click on display and brightness. Under display and brightness, you should see brightness. Try to adjust your iPhone brightness to see if it's going to work like that. If it does, fine. And if it doesn't work, make sure you turn off True Tone and confirm whether your brightness is going to work. So just go ahead and turn off True Tone. If that is still not working, then what we want to do is we want to scroll down again, locate and click on night shift. And then once you click on night shift, make sure night shift is completely turned off. If you have it on schedule or you have it on manually enable until tomorrow, make sure you turn off night shift completely here. If you're unable to fix brightness not working on your iPhone, you want to check low power mode. If you enable low power mode, this may affect your iPhone brightness. To do this, while on the main settings, click on battery, and under battery you want to locate low power mode option. So scroll down and locate low power mode option. If this is enabled, just go ahead and toggle this off, and then you should see your iPhone brightness working perfectly. And lastly, you should force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, you need to press the volume up button once, the volume down button once, and then press and hold the side button until your iPhone turns off and turn on. So let's go. Volume up button once, volume down button once, then press and hold the side button. Once you press and hold the side button, just keep pressing until the slide power off turns off itself without you helping it. And once it turns off, keep holding the side button and you should see the Apple logo appears. And once the Apple logo appears, let's go off the side button. After a couple of seconds, your iPhone is going to turn on. And once your iPhone turns on, you can go ahead and check whether the brightness is working, auto brightness is working. Follow the steps we've discussed here. Now, if after all of this, you still discover that your iPhone is still not working, what you should do is go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down, click on display and brightness. Under display and brightness, scroll down, keep scrolling to get to display zoom. Click on it. Now, make sure display zoom is set to default. If you had it set to larger text, go ahead and set this to default, and then click on the check mark to save. And then you're good. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.